Hello and welcome. This is a guide on how to use the Pigeonship app for Purolator delivery process. To give you an overview, let's break down the delivery process into three simple steps: the pickup process, the delivery process, and the returns process. Let's begin with the pickup process. Log into your app, and this is what the home screen will look like after you sign in. In most scenarios, we will just need the active deliveries tab. It contains all the deliveries assigned to you. Upon opening the Active Deliveries tab, you will see one or more pigeon bundles assigned to you. Select the assigned pigeon bundle and it will take you to the pickup page. Couple of things to note here are: first, the delivery ID. This is your pigeon bundle ID and might come in handy when communicating with the support staff or your dispatcher. The amount here denotes your pay for this assignment. The first thing we do when we reach this page is touch where it says delivery details to select the right barcode scanner before we begin scanning. Select Purolator and now select Arrive for pickup to confirm that you have reached the warehouse for pickup. We will request for route optimization before we begin scanning. Request optimization. And we have to do this twice. Now it says optimized route has been created successfully. We'll select OK. And now we can select the scan button right here to begin scanning. While scanning, we will make sure that we are only scanning the right barcode which has Purolator PIN written below it. Please look carefully when I open the scanner and I select the barcode. This is the barcode right here and it says Purolator PIN below it. This is the barcode that we will scan in this situation. And it says scan successful. Once a scan is successful, it will show a tick mark against that package. You may also see some error codes while scanning. You don't have permission to perform this action is a common error code that you will see. This error code means that this package is assigned to some other driver. In this case, you may put the package aside for other drivers to scan and pick another package to scan. I'll show you how that error code looks like. This is the error code I just mentioned about. Upon scanning all the packages, this section will turn gray. So let's scan the second package in this bundle. And it says successful. As mentioned, upon scanning all packages, this section will turn gray, denoting that all packages assigned to you have been scanned successfully. After scanning all the packages, put your packages together and take a master pickup photo. And since this is just a training video, I do not have any packages around me, so we'll just take a pickup picture and we'll select OK. We'll give it a couple of seconds to upload. And as soon as it uploads, we see a tick mark on master pickup photo. The last step is to select pickup complete. And that's it. Your pickup process is now complete.